Hi, I'm Stefanie Mosca. We're here at the Avaya Tech on Tap event at IT Expo East 2012 in Miami, Florida. And I'm joined by Paiman. How are you?
Nodoushani. Hi, Stefanie.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. I know you just participated in the event. You did a great job.
Thank you.
If there's one thing that you hope that the audience took away from your discussion, what would it be?
I want people to know that we as a company, we really provide a full value solution that goes all the way through stack, from infrastructure as service, platform service, all the way to software as service. So that would be the main thing that I want people to take away.
And you talked a little bit about HTML5. How do you see that as being a big game changer in the tech industry?
So, not yet, but I think in the next few years, HTML5 really changes the way that the browser is going to be used. Many of the interaction that you really need from a voice and video perspective is going to be built in. And we feel that HTML5 is going to provide a platform in which you can write your application differently, such that it can reach the audience in a different way, that you don't necessarily need a thin application to go and download to reach and run a software-based application that's running in the cloud, but you have the ability to reach much more number of people that are just using a browser to access those application or services.
Sure, and your demonstration with the avatar that you showed, that was definitely, some innovative.
Oh, absolutely. That's really innovative, and it's really thinking about how do you move from a collaboration to an engagement, which is something that we really starting to call business social. It's something that's been available for some time. It's truly a software as a service application that's available, and people can go and download and run it.
When do you think that people are going to start integrating that into their everyday professional life?
So if you think about Web.Alive, which is exactly what the product is that you're talking about, it's not really an application that you go and say, that's what I'm going to use for all of my collaboration. So if you need to get in a call quickly, you don't necessarily need to share any information, that's really, Web.Alive is not really a platform for you. But if you're really looking for that deep engagement that's going to go on for some time, that's where Web.Alive really brings that to the picture.
And Judith mentioned her top tips for success. Aside from her list, if you had to choose one of your own, what would be your top tip for success?
I haven't necessarily thought about that, but I think one of the things that she mentioned is always look ahead, because the technology is going to change, and that's something that really resonates, because one thing that you think is really a game changer and a technology evolution that's happening tomorrow is a fad.
It's definitely hard to keep up with it, but Avaya definitely seems like you guys are staying on the cusp of everything that's happening. Thanks so much for your input.
Thank you.
And enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you.